Hello guys, welcome on specification overview video of Electrolux kitchen hood EFG. So the number of engines is 1. The engine power is 250 watts. The noise level 67 decibels. As you can see, this device has a 2 lighting and number of speeds it's 3 programs plus boost. The number of the degreasing filters is 1, the grease filter is from aluminum. The carbon filter is optional. The weight of this device is 54 cm. The maximum depth is 30 cm. The air outlet diameter is 15 cm. The depth of this device is 30 cm. The weight with the packaging is 11 kg. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.